Hello everyone, this is just a dad. Let's do a review on this magnetic wireless car charger. So you got to cut the seals up here, and then down here there's also another seal you got to cut. So let's see what's in the box. There, pull straight out. Oh, this looks nice. And we got some accessories here. What's all the accessories? Okay, so this is actually the magnetic wireless charger. Let's peel that off. USB-C. We got two different mounts. We can mount this to the dash or something like that with this two-sided tape, or this is like for a vent, like a clip. All right, let's put it on this one right here. Let's take the nut off. You got to put the nut on the ball. Then put the ball in that little groove and then tighten the nut down. Now it does come with a cable, but you do need a charger. You have to plug this into a car charger. It's got USB-C on the other end. Now it does say that it would be it wants 9 volts 2 amps or 12 volts 2 amps for a car charger. Okay, so you're going to plug the USB-C port in right here on the bottom. And you're going to grab an iPhone. Now let's see. Yeah, it's charging the iPhone, and it's held on there by a magnet. And there's like a blue light right here that comes on. So yeah, this is a pretty nice, got a really strong magnet. We can do it sideways too. Pretty nice, seems pretty stable. I can do this in different positions I'd like. So this is like a stabilizing arm. You're going to put this in a vent like that, and then this thing is meant to come down and kind of like stabilize. It's got different positions against the car to kind of help hold it, but that's pretty strong. So it does charge the iPhone at 7.5 watts. Let's do some measurements real quick. That's like a magnet there. So that's about almost 3 inches square. You know, sticks out from there about 3 inches too. So I hope this unboxing video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.